Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into a culinary essential that's a favorite among cheese lovers. The 365 by Whole Foods Market, Parmesan Grated, 5 ounce. This isn't just any Parmesan. It's widely regarded as one of the best Red Cow Parmesans available. Let's explore why it deserves a place in your kitchen. To start off, let's talk about what makes this Parmesan special. Produced by Whole Foods Market's 365 brand, known for quality and reliability, this grated Parmesan comes in a convenient 5-ounce package. It's perfect for adding a rich, nutty flavor to a variety of dishes, from pasta and salads to soups and sauces. Made from cultured pasteurized part skim milk, salt, and microbial enzymes, ensuring both quality and flavor. Each serving contains 20 calories, 55 milligrams of sodium, and 2 grams of protein, making it a guilt-free addition to your meals. Packaged in a practical container, it's easy to store and use without compromising freshness. Now, let's discuss its versatility in the kitchen. Whether you're sprinkling it over a classic spaghetti dish or enhancing the flavor of a Caesar salad, this grated Parmesan elevates your culinary creations effortlessly. Its finely grated texture ensures even distribution and quick melting, adding depth to every bite. Whole Foods Market's commitment to quality shines through in every bite. The aging process of this Parmesan enhances its nutty and savory notes, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Suitable for vegetarians, ensuring inclusivity in your dining options. In conclusion, the 365 by Whole Foods Market, Parmesan Grated is not just a cheese. It's a culinary staple that enhances any dish with its rich flavor profile and versatility. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook looking to elevate your meals, this Parmesan deserves a spot in your pantry. So, next time you're shopping for ingredients, consider adding this Red Cow Parmesan to your cart. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more product critiques, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.